Sentimental FX update for the 24th of January. Quick look at S&P and the H4. Your MR2 is at 3848.6, and so it could be a good resistance. It is monthly resistance. MR3 is way over there, and I think that would be overdone, a little bit overextended. Note that we've got an ascending trend line. It's been strong. Also, what was interesting was the support that we had. It had like a turncoat support. So there was your resistance here, and we had a nice healthy bounce. So it was formerly resistance, then comes support. Do check your retail sentiment, and also on Friday the COP data as well. So we'll be looking at that into more detail in the quantitative e-service. So I think it might be teetering. We'll have to wait and see on Friday. Gold monthly pivot is 1858. We are a sell and we're below monthly pivot, but it could potentially come above. SLC above is 1875.76, and I won't show you the SLC below because it's really far away. It's like $1,000 away. Moving averages looking quite strong, and stochastics are quite strong as well. AU and 7812 and 7650, and I've added the auto trend lines on here as well. So we're below that one and we're below this one. We've got some support, as you can see, and we are buy at the high level as well. AJ 8101, 7939. Check your signal. It is a buy at the high level. It's quite sideways on the dynamic, so it all depends what the S&P is going to do, and if it falls, then this will fall too. EA 15810, 15744. The same guy's selling it, which we can see in that. It's a direct correlation to that. You can see. Up we go. EU 12192 and 12148. Pretty sideways. I mean, they're selling it, but it's not dramatic. And monthly pivots at 12150. So keep an eye on that. Euro yen 126.5, 12593. The same guy's selling it, so we came up. Monthly pivots here at 125.9. So we might come down and test that. It's 40 pips away, and should probably bounce off monthly pivot because we are a buy at the high level. GU 13703, 13614. We are a buy. Same guy's selling it, so that's quite bullish. Pound yen 142.4, and the SLC is quite far, 14028. In case you're new to the videos, SLC means stop loss cluster, and that's what that means there. It's from fxssi.com, and that's where the retail guys are going to exit at a loss, and that's where they're going to exit at a loss. So painful. They're like the pain zones, basically. Liquidity, targets, magnets. Let's go to H4. 7242, 7157. It's going to be quite bearish across all time frames. So at the high level we're a buy, and they're selling it, so that could be bullish. Monthly pivot 7144. Dollar CAD 12745 and 127 on the dot. We are sell at the high level, but them guys selling it over time. It's the dynamic shift, so up we go. Because they're selling it, it does the direct opposite. So it's very tricky, this pair. And if they continue, we'll come up and grab that stop loss cluster. Dollar Swiss 89.30, 88.33. This should come down because it's been very overextended and very skewed, and it's just unhealthily skewed. So it's it needs to flush these guys out, and then finally we can rally. So monthly pivots there. So that's your bias 89.12. And you'll notice that I've got some history missing, but I need to look into that why, because I've actually selected a year of data, so I'm not sure why that's not appearing. Dollar yen, and 103.90, 103.3, and we're still at the high level, very choppy sideways. Take these guys off. Yeah, I mean that's bullish, but it looks like they might be going long. They're not continuing without bias. It looks like they might be shifting towards more bullish. If they are, then we'll come down and go below monthly pivot at 103.62. Just a quick one today, and I'll be around tomorrow for any questions and stuff. I'm going to try and learn some API REST because I've got an API token from FXCM. So I'm going to try and get that data imported into the sheet. So we'll have my FX book and FXCM. So that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. I'm going to try and study how to grab that data into the sheet. So see how we go. And just let me know if you need any help, and I'll speak to you guys soon.